I'd like to welcome everyone again to our live this afternoon. This one may be lengthy, but please bear with me, as this will be our only live today, as my day of worship starts this evening at sunset. I won't be on until tomorrow evening at 8, and then again Sunday evening at 8. Our schedule for next week I would like to go over, to remind those who were not here in our previous live where I mentioned it. But starting next week, Monday, we will be having 3 sessions a day. We will be having the first session at 12 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, where we will discuss proverbs and sayings. The next session at 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, where we will be just discussing history. And the last session will be our Taimi Chill, which will be in the evening, either between 10 Hawaii Standard Time and 12. And that will be for questions and answers. After this Sunday, next week, Saturday and Sunday, we will be having a children's session or a beginner's session on Saturdays and Sundays at 8 p.m. Because there are some topics in the culture, not the language, in the culture, that need the attention of a female instructor, I will be conducting Zoom sessions for males and females. So we will have a female instructor assist with the females, and I'll be helping with the males of our group. And if we have another instructor who can join us, we'll have that as well. Now, o le vai aso fou. Vas fou a matali ai ia le whaatūlanga ino tātou talanoanga ma whaasoanga. A mata I le aso ngafua o le vai aso fou. O le a tolu o tātou whetu whainga. Po o tātou sao whainga e whaia. E whaia lea I le se furulua I le Mea-Uli e talanoa inai a la ngā upu ma mua ngana. O le fitu I le afiafi Taimi Hawaii. E whai ai ia le talanoanga I le tala whasolpito. Whapea ma le talanoanga muli I le afi po le pō. Valua I le vao le sefuru ma le sefuru lua Taimi Hawaii I le pō. E whai ai tātou sili matali e whaatau I matau pusa talanoina. A o I le aso tona I o le vai aso fou ma le urua iaso o le vai aso yontua. O I nā e a matali ai a vasenga walo mwhanau. Po I lātou o loo tau a mata le ngangana. E a matalia nā vasenga I le valu I le afiafi o le astonai ma le ulua yaso. I want to put this out there because we've received, if you've noticed, I've posted 2 Samoan businesses on our wall. I am in support of Samoan businesses, and if you have if you are a Samoan business owner and you would like me to share your business, please reach me in the inbox. However, I will not advertise MLMs, multi-level marketing. I will not. Okay, because sa ile o to I. Me myself personally, I don't agree with it. It's not something nice. If you don't know what an MLM is, it is a pyramid scheme, and so I will not advertise. So if you give me your business, I will do my research and before advertising. E yai nisi o tātou wo mapaanga ua whaasua mai ia o lātou pisinisi tono tātou meli. E lango nait fia o na o loo alu pe iluma le soifuanga o tātou tangata a o mau I atu ese. Peita iane e iai na isi company e whaapiramita ia le whainga ina ia ao mai ia te leo tangata o na maua la ia o lau seleni pe ato tele. I lau tali tonu nunga whaito tasi. Ia le mana ia la ia mea. I lau tal tununga in MLM it's that's my personal opinion. Ngaka inga. But a whapea, peitai a whapea e iai se pisinisi o sau pisinisi o tauati nai. Ia ona e whasoa mai la ia a mai ma le tuatusi wha penga te whailangi, your web address, e whasoa tui lungo le tātou I tulau. Taufete Tarrant. I'm sorry, I just saw your name. I have to ask. Are you a grandchild or a child of Falsia Tarrant? Please contact me in my inbox. Taufete Tarrant. If Falsia is your ancestor, please do reach out to me. Now, our discussion for today. Before I get to that, I have to do this. E whaatalo whaatu I le nei Mea-Uli I ta mamatina matua ua maua mai le nei taumwhainga o ta mamatina uso ma tō whawhine alo mwhanau ua mawhai ona tō mai mō mai I le Mea-Uli Samoa e mawai fwoi stato tu whainga ma stato talanoanga e tal tonu le tangata e le oa o tangata e malam tele ai pe tai a au mai a lo tau au so ma lo tau au tal tonu lo tangata tato te mawhai so se mea. I was kind of stuck today when writing our notes because you see me, you know, I don't want to give the wrong information. Leanga e Taūga. We'll get to that after. So, how do we tell time in Samoa? How do we tell time? Hi, Andra. If hape fea ona tau le Taimi. If you're looking at the clock, when you're looking at the clock, 12 to 6, okay? When you're telling time from 12 to 6, okay, that's te, T-E apostrophe, a glottal stop, A. T-E, glottal stop, A. That's te, past. 6 to 12, toi. T-O-E, toi. So when telling time, once it's past 12, okay, once the minute hand is past 12, ua te, it's past that time up until the half an hour mark, and then it's toi. How many more do we have left? Till, toi, till, te, past. The hour hand, vai itula. The minute hand, vai minute. That is telling time in Samoa. Quarter till, guata ile. Sorry. Leanga lelo ieskako faila kusi. So when telling time, when you're looking at the clock, when the minute hand is between 12 and 6, that's te. So guata, quarter past, guata te ai, and then when you come from 6 to 12, toi, or till. So when it's the quarter, guata ile. You can also say guata e te ai le afa, or quarter past half. Quarter past half or quarter till half because it hasn't reached there. Time of day. Day, au. A-O, au. Night, po. P-O, po. I also want to share with those who are not aware of this. There is no letter B in the Samoan language, but when pronouncing the letter B, In Samoa, we say bimamafa because it has a heavier sound. B. The P is higher and lighter, so it's bimama. So it's a lighter P and a heavier P. Okay? So B is bimamafa. Okay? Or the heavier P. Okay? So daytime is ao, nighttime is po. These are also believed to be associated with telling time. And so I'm going to go as far as years. Okay? So you start the time at 12 a.m. In Samoan, the word is tulua o po mau. Tulua o po mau, or the division of day and night. Okay? Or the gap or the space between day and night. After tulua o po mau, it is dark. But then you also have the English term dawn. In Samoan, the term is tafa'oata. Tafa'oata. T-a fa'ao. T-a fa'ao a-T-a. T-a fa'ao a-T-a. T-a-f-a-o a-T-a. Tafa'oata, or dawn. After dawn, when the sun starts to rise, there's another term, or midnight, the separating of the night. Okay, but after dawn, the sun starts to rise, and the morning sun, or that time, is taiao sengi sengi. Taiao sengi sengi. Ti-a-e, a-o, sa-e nga-i, sa-e nga-i. Taiao sengi sengi. That's the morning time, or the early morning, after dawn. After that, we come to taiao, morning. Taiao. T-a-a-o, T-a-e-a-o, T-a-e-a-o, taiao. After the morning, you have the Mea-Uli, or noon, or no, sorry, afternoon. Before you get to afternoon, however, after the morning, you have midday. Midday, tu tonu olila, or tu tonu le mata olila. Tu tonu mata olila, or midday. After midday, it's afternoon. And the Samoan word is Mea-Uli. A-o-a-ula-i. A-o-a-ula-i. Mea-Uli. After Mea-Uli, you have Afiafi, or evening. Afai, Afai, Afiafi. After Afiafi, you have the po, or night. Pi-o-po, pi-ma-ma-o-po. Umalole-po. It's valuapo. After po, you have valuapo, or this is near midnight. Valuapo, leomisia. Thank you, Mau. Thank you, La Porter. Le focus I thank you guys very much. Valuapo, or the time before midnight. Those are your times of day. So let's start from the beginning. Valuapo Tuluopomau, midnight. Taiao Tafawata. Taiao Sengi Sengi. Taiao Tutonul Matalila. Mea-Uli. Afiafi. Po Valuapo. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 different times in the Samoans describe the time of day. Your time of days fall into the days. So our days are from Sunday to Saturday. The first day, Ulua Iaso. Ulua Iaso or Aso Sa. Ulua Iaso or Aso Sa. That is Sunday. Aso Ngafua is Monday. Aso Ngafua, Monday. Aso Lua, Tuesday. Aso Lulu, Wednesday. Aso Tofi, Thursday. Aso Farele, Friday. And Aso To'nai. Now, let's make this correction. Aso To'nai, the day of preparing the feast. So it's not To'nai. I've heard time and time again people say To. So I want to make a correction. It is not To'nai, it's To'nai. Aya, Mea-Uli. The weekdays. Weekdays in Samoan, Aso Taūga. Aso Taūga. Those are your weekdays. Your weekends, Fa'aiunga Olvayaso. Fa'aiunga Olevayaso. Those are your days. 7 days make a week. Fituaso Maua Levayaso. 7 days make a week. Vai haso. Vai haso. So after we put together days to make weeks, we put together weeks to make months. Masina. Masina. These are our months. January, February, Mati, Aperila, Mei, Juni, July, Augusto, and I have to stop because remember the month is Augusto. A-U-K-U-S-O, A-U-K-U-S-O, Augusto. But I commonly hear people say Augusto. It's not Augusto. It's not A-O-K-U-S-O. It is A-U. Augusto. That is August. Augusto se tema o que topa Novema Tesema. Okay, so we'll go over them again so we can spell them out and you can hear them. January, Januari. I-A-Nu-U-A-R-O-I. I-A-Nu-U-A-R-O-I. I-A-N-U-A-R-I. January. February. February. Fa-E P-U-R-O-E. Fa'e, P-U-R-O-E. F-E-P-U-A-R-I. February. Mati. Mo-A-T-E, Mati. Mo-A-T-E, Mati. Or March. M-A-T-I, Mati. Aperila. A-P-E-R-O-I-L-A. A-P-E-R-O-I-L-A, Aperila. April. A-P-E-R-I-L-A. A-P-E-R-I-L-A. May. M-E, May. Not me, May. Okay? M-E, May. That is the month of May. This is, who asked? Junior Maunga, this is my weak attempt at helping our people learn our language and culture. So it is a Samoan language arts class. It is also Samoan arts class and culture. I try. Uni, June. Uni, I-U-Nu-I, Uni. I-U and I, Uni, June. Iulai, July. I-U-La-A-I. I-U-La-A-I. I-U-L-A-I, July. Aukuso. A-U-K-U-S-O. A-U-K-U-S-O, Aukuso. A-U-Ka-U-Sa-O. A-U-Ka-U-Sa-O, Aukuso. Setema. Sa-E-T-E-Mo-A. Sa-E-T-E-Mo-A, Setema. S-E-T-E-M-A. September. Setema. Mike, we are time telling. So time telling involves time of day, the weeks, the months, the years, and so forth. So we'll be discussing other things afterwards, like we do in all our other sessions. Oketopa, October. Talofa Becca Untoa. Miss Michelle Fanene, Talofa Lava. O-Ka-E-T-O-P-A. O-Ka-E-T-O-P-A, Oketopa. O-K-E-T-O-P-A. O-K-E-T-O-P-A, Oketopa. November. Nu-O-V-E-Mo-A. Nu-O-V-E-Mo-A, November. N-O-V-E-M-A, November. And lastly, Tesema. T-E-Sa-E-Mo-A. T-E-Sa-E-Mo-A, Tesema. T-E-S-E-M-A, Tesema. And that, all 12 months, makes a Taūga. Makes a year. T-A-U-Sa-A-Nga-A, Taūga. T-A-U-S-A-G-A, Taūga. In English, 5 years is a quinquennial. In Samoan, 5 years is 5 years. In English, 10 years is a decade. In Samoan, 10 years is 10 years. 100 years. We have a upu no no, or a borrowed word. In English, 100 years is a century. In Samoan, ole seneturi. Sa e nu e ti uro I. Sa e nu e ti uro I. Seneturi. S-E-N-E-T-U-R-I. S-E-N-E-T-U-R-I. Seneturi. And that is century in Samoan. After century, you have 1,000 years. Millenniuma. Millenniuma. Mo-I la e Nui u mo'a. Mo'i la'e. Nui u mo'a mele niuma. Mi ole pelo ya. Please correct that. See. Pepelo ole millenniuma. M-E mo'e la'e. Millenniuma. Sorry. Mo'e la'e. Nui u mo'a. Mo'e la'e. Nui u mo'a millenniuma. M-E-L-E-N-I-U-M-A. M-E-L-E-N-I-U-M-A millenniuma. In Western countries, the year is divided by seasons. I atu nu'u a papalangi e vaivaina i le tausanga I vaitau. Samoans also have seasons. So I believe a lot of these, the words that we have is relates to that of the English language, or the four seasons of the world. But Samoans, we had a time where because I remember, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, La Porter, you're right. Yupeli, Jubilee. I'm sorry, thank you. Yupeli, Jubilee. I-U-P-E-L-I, I-U-P-E-L-I, Jubilee. Thank you very much, La. So we'll start with the first season. The year starts with January, and the first season that we are introduced to is winter. Tau Malulu. Tau Malulu. May I please get someone to put Fatmamafas on my use, please? Because I'm not using my phone. Ti-a-u mo-a-la-u-la-u Tau Malulu. Ti-a-u mo-a-la-u-la-u Tau Malulu. Tau Vivela. Oh no, sorry. Umalo Tau Malulu. Tau Totongo. Spring. Tau Totongo. Ti-a-u Ti-o ngā-o. Ti-a-u Ti-o ngā-o. T-A-U T-O-G-O. That's spring. And the reason why I brought this up earlier, and I said Samoans tell time seasons differently, because correct me if I'm wrong, our older Samoan mothers and fathers watching. E fatu saya ule tautotongo pole spring. Ile leang yel tuauloa. Angel tuauloa, because the reason the tuauloa. The reason I say this is because I'm used to hearing e malolo siai ia manu malaau. I'm a tangata. I hear that the tuauloa is when trees and animals are given strength, but causes man to get ill, or causes them to get ill. And so that's why I thought for the longest time that ole spring, ole tautotongo, was angel ole toelau. I mean ole ko'oloa, tua'oloa. But I guess I'm wrong. But please correct me from Mole Lava. After spring, we have summer. Tau mafanafana. Tau mafanafana. Tau, T-A-U, mo'a, fa'a, nu'a. Tau mafanafana. That's T-A-U, M-A-F-A-F-A-N-A. Tau mafanafana. That is summer. Autumn. Autumn or fall. I've heard other terms that have been derived, like tawafu, vaitawafu, or when leaves fall. Awa aafu lilaau, wato ulo nalau, when the tree is when it's that time of the year, the leaves fall. Waafu. That is autumn or fall. There's also another term that someone shared with me. Ole vaitau o vaitau. Vaitau o vaitau. Vaitauafu is V-A-I-T-A-U A-F-A-U. T-A-U V-A-I-T-A-U A-F-A-U. V-A-I-T-A-U A-F-U. Vaitauafu. Or Taūto'ulu. Taūto'ulu. T-A-U-T-O-U-La-U. T-A-U-T-O-U-La-U. Those are all three ways that you can say autumn or fall. Now I bring this up again, because this is the time when it starts to get colder, and then I hear them say ole vai to'elau. Now correct me if I'm wrong. Vai to'elau, I believe was what that time was called. But Sawa mai sisi te se lenga pe ona vai atu o le tamwhainga. Tamwhainga fa so atu. And those are our seasons. So first we have Tau Malulu. Second we have Tau Tutongo. Then we have Tau Mafanafana. Lastly, we have Tau To'ulu, Vaitau o Vaitau, and Vaitauafu. Another part of the day. Sua letai, pe letai. High tide, low tide. Now those words are separated. Don't make the mistake of putting them together. Pi fa'mafa'e, space, la e va, pi fa'mafa'e va, la e va, T-A-E. P hyphenated E space, L-E space, T-A-I. Pele tide, that's low tide. Suole tide, sa-u-a, fa, la e va, T-A-E. Sa-u-a va, la e va, T-A-E. S-U-A space, L-E space, T-A-I, high tide and low tide. Okay. Moving along. We're done with our language lesson. Now we're going to share. It is a common practice nowadays. Ua fai mamasani lo fa'alongo I tangata. Once we've come across a word we do not know how to say in Samoan, we add the letters IGA. E o'oloi se upu ua tātou leiloa fa Samoa o na tātou whtaongofi ia fa Peritania. Ai tuele IGA. I ngā a. Whātaitainga. Se I sharinga mai ia le peja lau kamaranga. When we say sharinga, that doesn't make it Samoan. That doesn't make it Samoan. Just because you add IGA doesn't mean it's Samoan. What do you do then? You use your mind. I've shared this before and I will say this again. Samoan, the Ngangana Samoa, is a descriptive language. these words that we use were put together to describe something. However, when you're trying to find the root of a word or trying to figure out how to explain it, you must take into consideration upu, winga, lasi. Upu, winga, lasi. Words with plural meanings. Words with plural meanings. Okay? You have to look at the context as well that it is written in. Va'ai le si manga o le whaongainga o le upu. O na e mola i o le ano e mwhaiai o na e whaamana maina pe au e wheto ai ma se pasi ma. If you have come across a word that you don't know how to translate, then figure out how to explain the word. And you will find that the Samoan language is very easy once you learn it, because it's very descriptive. A friend of mine shared, what is the correct phrase? Oleale taunga saoa, oleale taunga moni ole upu, po le fasi foi taule nei sao mauli, ole sao mauli po le uli masao. The term sao mauli or uli masao, which is correct? And so I'd like to share. Uli masao, sao mauli. O masani on tatou whaalongo i aso nei I tamali I whapea fo I tūla toa ma to o le atunu. They say ia sao mauli yale whainga malanga. We hear matais or orators say ia sao mauli. Now there is a mistake there, because sao mauli means, if translated in English, safe passage, safe steering. But you need to steer safely in order to pass safely. Ele mawhai ona e sao pe ale uli. Pe ale le ulinga o le foi o lausa. You cannot guaranteed passage or guaranteed safe passage is unsure if you don't hold the helm of the ship or the steer. So then you cannot say safe passage, safe steering. You have to say safe steering, safe passage, so that you may steer, pass. So ele mawhai on tatou whapea ia sao mauli leanga o lo iair pine whamau uli masao. So it's uli masao. The context you have to look at. You have to look at the context that it's written in, and then try to decipher from there. Another word is ta'avale. Ta'avale is to roll. But if you dig deeper and you try to find the words that are put together to make this word, you have two words. Ta'a, vale. Ta'a, vale. Ta'avale is not car. Ta'avale afi is car. Ta'avale is to roam or to roll. Ta'avale also means to lollygaggle, to be a free spirit and roam freely. It also means to muck around. Ta'avale, where you muck around purposeless, like a stone that, like a rolling stone that gains no moss, that gathers no moss. Ma'a ta'avale vale, ele pipi ele limu. So ta'avale, if you break it down, are those two words, which simply mean to roam purposeless, or because a lot of remember upu winga lasi, words with plural meanings. Vale is foolishly, or is foolish. Vale is a fool. but it can also mean other things. Ismalo Valley. Your left foot for pertan your Malova. No, I'm gonna stop. Now we're drifting. So when using Samoan words, again, once you get stuck, don't stop there and use the English word, because you're not helping yourself. You critically think, what words can I use to explain? And you would be surprised to find out that, wow, you just discovered the root or the where the word was derived from. Yeah. I just wanted to share that. Please don't, just because you add IGA or inga to a word doesn't make it Samoan. Moving along. I've said before, this is not an English class. This is a Samoan culture and language class. Yet, there are some things that need to be addressed because you are Samoan, I am Samoan. The phrase might as well or may as well. Might as well or may as well. A little le minus well. Because if you minus the well, where are you going to get your water? Lafitanga ole upule na fa mai ole winga upule na ole so na ya ile mea ile tau na ya. So we're going to address minus well. Again, context. Why would you say minus well? Minus well, just take the car. What does that have to do with taking the car? Minus well, say may as well. May as well. Another word I hear are people actually, use it correctly. It has a purpose. It's used to emphasize truth or to add truth to a statement. I live at Peolofia actually actually. There's actually ko. Now, current events or issues in Samoa. If you scroll on our wall, you will notice I post many a thing from Talane and Samoa News pertaining to American Samoa. I read stories on Samoa Observer and other and Talamua. I also watch their news and TV1 news to stay up to date with events in the independent state. So I'm going to address two things today with the governments back home. iCloud is a call center in American Samoa that helps the government and other businesses in the private sector reach customers outside of American Samoa. However, they have a contract with the state of New York, and New York is 6 hours ahead. The travel restriction in Samoa, the local travel restriction, was from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. So they were only allowed to travel from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. iCloud asked the governor, requested that they be allowed to work at 12 midnight because of the time difference, the 6 or 7 hour time difference with New York. In order to keep jobs and in order to keep businesses going, they made that request. It was denied. In the letter, it was stated that the parent company or their contractor, the state of New York, wanted to provide more jobs, 100 or even 100 plus. Still, it was denied. Why, Governor? Why was their request denied? Yet, you want to handpick several people and make them career service employees. Doesn't make any sense. The government, Governor, is not our family business. It is a body, although governed by you, but run by the people. These people need jobs. Because if they can't make it into the military, or they don't end up at the canneries, if they don't know anyone in government, or their mother and father are from the independent state, it's hard for them to find a job because they don't know anyone. That's been the case for the longest time. How do I know? I've seen it. I've seen brothers and sisters born in American Samoa, whose parents are from the independent state, have to look for a better future outside of Samoa, where then they have to try to bring their parents, which is also a lengthy process. Why then, Governor, are you still being greedy? Why then, Governor, did you deny this request? It's bringing in money. It's helping our people. Then why, Governor? That's what I want to talk about in American Samoa. Another thing in American Samoa, several villages had some families in several villages, low-lying villages, were devastated this past weekend when the high tide reached their homes. This happened before in Aunu'u as well. And the idea of building a seawall has always come up. But a seawall won't stop the sea from rising. It will not. So we have to make a change. Yes, I know it's lengthy, but draw up a plan of newer roads and propose it to the people. Let them decide. Because just creating a new seawall will not help. Now let's move to the independent state. The media has been barred from taking pictures in the in Parliament. Wafasa ona toe tapu le au fa salalau yaniata itutonu o le motal parliament. Why is my question? Why are you taking their right of as press to disclose what's going on in the government of the people? O le hale mafuanga wo vavao ai le autustala mai tapu inoata I totonu o le mautal parliament e yai latua yata tau fa tustala. Now that's not, I'm not speaking from America. Ese America, ese Samoa, no. Democracy, democratic government. So that they can notify the people who make up the government. That is their right. So please, if you have any knowledge on any legal or anything that you can help our media in Samoa with, try to reach out to help them and give them some information to so that we can get this news. And it is not right that they deprive us of what's going on there. We voted them in. You voted them in. You voted them in. Therefore, you have a right to know what's going on. Ona o oe sa lafolo maa mal e palota ina ia tofia ilato o loa ia tatau le sira fia o melo tupu tonu mauta. Ya, go mala ya. Tupulanga, young people. I've come to realize that it's not only happening out here, it's also happening in Samoa. Palako and Kuripi. Palako and Kuripi. Bloods and Crips in Samoa. I want to make this very clear to our brothers and sisters, the younger brothers and sisters in Samoa. O le melo le gangster. E ngau e whanga makau silang ainga. Mea tonu lawan nata o le gangster. A gangster takes care of his family. A gangster takes care of his community. Or her community. O le mea le nae whai oto, what you folks are doing. Le malo vale. Le mita vale. That is called a thug. E leo se gangster le mea nae tau te whaia. Lea ngai le o manu iai o tau ainga o nuu e kalesia. O le mea le nā e taua o le lawasa. Thug. Tangata e le mau maututu. Tangata e le lava ia le whautanga. A o le gangster. A o tō fia gangster. Whai mga i whangai ainga. Ai o le fia gangster. Ai e moifunga. O le thug. Lea ngai ma whai rupa mwhena vatu. Starting next week, like I said, we're going to change our schedule. And one of the things that I want to address, which we will be addressing on Monday during our Alanga Upu and Muangangana session, is grammar. A lot of people try to compare or try to use English grammar rules for the Samoan language. Don't do that because you're only going to confuse yourself. Okay? Do not try to use the English grammar laws or rules to structure the Samoan language, because therefore you will lose your language and its importance. We'll touch on that on Monday. I've had a tough time growing up. I've made some foolish choices that I am not proud of. I am not perfect. But I think that I've become a family member to many who watch. And it would be wrong of me to deprive you of this. I was an addict. I was an addict. Sa'o fa'unga fa'la'au fa'saina. Why do I share that with you? You see, last night someone made that comment. Someone put that in the comment. And there's a time in my life that I don't want to remember. And I don't want the people who have come to know me as their family, I don't want them to think that I am that person. I don't want them to think that I've been hiding something from them. No, I think it's irrelevant because they were foolish choices that I made that have helped shape me as the person I am today. Yes, I am a bad person. I have done many a bad thing in my life. But I've made a change for the better. So if you're watching, Uso, thank you for bringing that out. Thank you for sharing my history with everyone. My only question is, Uso, why did you feel you had to do it that way? If you know me so well, Uso, why could you not come talk to me and share with me le mea night tingai ilo talnoach? I can help you create a page if you want to, where you can share with people. But my name, Uso, is all I have. People have tried to tarnish it before. I've worked hard for my name. I've worked hard to make a name for myself. If you think that that's the best way to get at me, I'm going to tell you so. It isn't. My demeanor may have changed today because I was reminded of a time in my life that I don't want to remember. I hated it because I was stupid. And for that Uso to throw that at me and say that I was coming here and using drugs to talk to you folks. Uso, come at me using your real page. Don't hide behind the shadows. Iloa toi mātou pala ai oi. Iloa toi mātou. O oi, Uso. Ile si men manava. And I'll say that again. Ile ai se mea ilo manava. Because you felt that that could bring me down. It angered me of my foolishness and the people that I hurt. That's why I don't want to remember it. Because I don't want to hurt people. Why do you think I teach this? Because our people have been hurting. And I don't want that for them. Our people have been oppressed. They don't see it like that. So I ought to share. It's tau ona ufasoa. Leanga lo pupu ngatia tatu tangata. O le mafua angale na o lo tala noa. O lo silila. O efeso soani I o tangata. O efeso soani I le malo ma le atunu o lo e nofo iai. Po o e le isi malo vale le iai nei. Folks, I am very, very sincere when it comes to people. Because I have a very, very terrible story. I have a sad story. But you know what? Somebody else has got a story even more heart-wrenching. So I don't want pity, because I know there's someone else who needs our support and our love. That is our culture. And it bothers me. It bothers me so much that this is the attitude portrayed by our people. And they think it's our culture. Matanga, it's ugly. Our culture isn't ugly. Stop portraying that, because you are confusing our young people who want to be Samoan. O loo whaalua fe sasi ma whauwhau o tātou walum whanau. Ona ele o saol fe au lo e mori mai I launga ngana. Ele o sao ia le anga nuu o lo e a o oina. So, ele o au o so tama li uso. A le lo whai atu. Wha o ngalo whai ai. Wha poko lo whai ai. A e fia lau vavale. A le whai I lumar ko ngu. Pe le whasia I oe. Ai o te le mawha whaulo mai mua te mamatina matutui nei. Parents are watching. Parents are reading the comments. If you have nothing nice to say on this platform or these lives, then go and talk to your mom and dad and give it all to them. Because ele te tautala iai lo ngutu. E hala ona e tautala iai ona safa whangai oe. O te le mana oila. Le angolo tina. E na o le alofa lava sa I whangaia. E le masane la I mena te sau no mai ai. Ave maoe. Ave umama oe. Ave umama oe. But for our brothers and sisters who are in constant support. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are, maybe right now, we are at 10,000 followers. I never thought, it wasn't possible to me. I didn't think it possible. But you folks have done a great thing in sharing our videos and our posts, so that other Samoans, other like-minded Samoans, can learn and share amongst each other. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the money in the world cannot repay you folks for the gratitude I feel at this moment. Wa se fulu afe ya tangata wa muli mutai il tato i tulau. E leo stam whainga al whailau tusi. Leo stam whainga al tangata. Ai ole alofa al siti ese ma loa o tau lango sua. Wa mawhai ai. So I thank you o te whawhetai. Ma I Mea-Uli pe ana yai ni oa o te tau yai le tau alofa ma le tau angale. Ai ui lea e mativa le Mea-Uli Samoa. Au lau tatalo. O le atua pule te tele. Ina ia tatala wha malama o le langi ma tō wha ua mai o tō manuia. Wha pe fo'i manai o tō walo ma whanau ma o tō ainga. Again, thank you. I say God bless. Stay blessed. Soifua ma ia manuia.